How to do the perfect Bulgarian split squat for ultimate leg development. Should you rest between each leg or after completing both? Let's find out. Whether you're a beginner looking to refine your technique or a pro looking to push your limits, this is the video for you. We'll cover everything from muscles involved, perfect form, common mistakes, tweaks for the best muscle growth, and how to properly go beyond failure. By the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to master the Bulgarian split squat. First up, let's talk muscles. The Bulgarian split squat is a powerhouse exercise for targeting your lower body. The primary muscles worked include the quadriceps, glutes, and hamstrings, making it a key move for developing strength and size in your legs. But that's not all. This exercise also recruits your core muscles for stability and balance, giving you a well-rounded workout that supports functional strength and athletic performance. Now let's move on to perfect form. Step 1. Find the right bench height. Choose a bench, box, barbell in a rack, or even your protein containers. Maybe not. That's about knee height. This height allows you to achieve the full range of motion without overextending your hips. Set the dumbbells, if any, on the ground. Step 2. Set your feet. Start by sitting on the bench and extending one foot out in front of you, resting on the heel. Stand up and position your back foot on the bench behind you with your feet about shoulder width apart for more stability. Position your back foot in a way that's comfortable, whether on your toes, resting flat, or on your side, but ensure it's secure to maintain stability. Step 3. Distribute your weight. Shift 90% of your body weight onto your front foot, leaving only 10% on the back foot. Stand tall with your chest out, shoulders back and down, and your back straight. As you lower into the squat, maintain this posture and pick up your dumbbells if you're using them. Step 4. Adjust your torso angle. There are two effective ways to position your torso depending on which muscles you want to target. For more quad focus, keep your torso very upright throughout the movement, ensuring that your front knee stays directly over your ankle at the bottom. For more glute and hamstring focus, lean your torso slightly forward and aim to have your front foot at a similar angle at the bottom of the movement. This shift in body angle increases tension on the glutes and hamstrings. Step 5. The descent. Look down at your dumbbells or your foot. Take a deep breath in and tighten your core. Slowly bend your front knee while keeping your back knee relaxed and slightly bent. Lower your body until your back knee gently touches the ground or as far as your mobility allows. This descent should take about 2 seconds to maintain control and tension. Step 6. The ascent. As you begin to rise, exhale and push through the heel of your front foot, straightening your leg to return to the starting position. Keep your back straight and core engaged to maintain balance. Focus on fully extending your front leg without locking the knee, keeping tension on the muscles throughout the movement. This should take about 1 second. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps per leg. Start with a lighter weight to master your form, then gradually increase the load as you build strength and stability. And there you have it, the perfect Bulgarian split squat. Now, let's explore some common mistakes that can prevent you from getting the most out of your Bulgarian split squat. Understanding these errors will help you improve your technique and get better results. Mistake number 1. Dropping too far back. Leaning too far back shifts the focus away from the front leg to the back leg, reducing the effectiveness of the exercise. Keep your weight centered over your front foot to properly engage your quads and glutes. Mistake number 2. Pushing through the toes. Pressing through your toes instead of your heel reduces glute and quad activation. Focus on driving through your front heel to maximize the effectiveness of the movement. Mistake number 3. Not engaging the core. Failing to engage your core can lead to instability and lower back strain. Tighten your abs and keep your core engaged throughout the exercise to maintain balance and protect your lower back. Mistake number 4, leaning too far forward. Excessive forward lean shifts the emphasis away from your legs and can strain your lower back. Keep your torso upright with a slight forward lean to maintain proper alignment and muscle engagement. Mistake number 5, not lowering deep enough. Failing to lower your body until your front thigh is parallel to the floor limits the range of motion and muscle activation. Lower yourself as far as your mobility allows while maintaining balance and control. Mistake number 6, not going slow on the descent. Rushing through the lowering phase of the movement reduces muscle tension and can lead to poor form or injury. Take your time on the descent, ensuring a slow and controlled movement to fully gauge your muscles. Mistake number 7, letting the dumbbells or leg rest on the ground. If you're using dumbbells, avoid letting them rest on the ground during the exercise, as this reduces tension on your muscles. Similarly, avoid letting your back rest on the floor. Mistake number 8, feet too close together. Having your feet too close together can throw off your balance and limit your range of motion. Ensure your feet are spaced properly to provide a solid foundation for the movement. Mistake number 9, feet too far apart. Placing your front foot too far forward puts excessive strain on your hamstrings and lower back, reducing the emphasis on your quads and glutes. Position your feet so your knees form a 90-degree angle at the bottom of the movement to ensure proper alignment and engagement. Mistake number 10, doing them all at the same time. Which mistake do you think you've been making? Drop a comment below and let me know. Now that we've covered the common mistakes, let's talk about few tweaks to maximize muscle growth with the Bulgarian Split Squat. Number 1, greater range of motion. If you're comfortable and have the flexibility, try adding plates under your front foot. This allows you to lower your body slightly below parallel, providing a greater stretch in your glutes and quads. The increased range of motion can enhance muscle engagement and promote growth. Number 2, adding a plate under your front heel. If you're looking to activate your quads even more, place a small plate under the heel of your front foot. This will help shift more tension onto the quads, leading to greater muscle activation. Number 3, holding dumbbells in different positions. Experiment with different dumbbell placements. You can hold them at your sides in front of your chest, in only left or right hand, or even overhead. Each variation engages different muscle groups and challenges your stability, helping you to target different areas and improve overall muscle development. Number 4, resting between legs. Taking a full 2 to 3 minute rest between legs can be beneficial if you're focused on maximum strength gains or hypertrophy, especially when using heavy weights. For improving muscular endurance, a shorter rest of 30 to 60 seconds is ideal. If your goal is to incorporate a cardio element, you can opt for little to no rest between legs. Adequate rest allows you to maintain proper form and exert maximum effort on the second leg, ensuring both sides get equal attention and muscle activation. Number 5, adjusting your back foot placement. If you feel too much pressure on your back foot, try lowering its position or adjusting the height of the surface you're using for support. This slight change can help you shift more focus onto your front leg where you want the most activation. Number 6, adding a pause at the bottom. For an extra challenge, incorporate a 1 to 2 seconds pause at the bottom of the movement. This increases time under tension, which is a key factor in building muscle. Number 7, mind-muscle connection. Focus on the mind-muscle connection during each rep. Really concentrate on your quads, glutes, and hamstrings, making sure you feel each muscle working. This mental focus can lead to better muscle activation, improved form, and overall greater results. Now, let's look at a few ways to push beyond failure and take your leg gains to the next level. To truly maximize muscle growth, pushing beyond failure in your final set can be incredibly effective. However, it's important to only attempt these techniques after reaching true failure with strict form. Number 1. Partial reps. When full reps become too challenging, switch to partial reps, focusing on the bottom portion of the movement. This keeps your muscles engaged, increases time under tension, and enhances endurance, allowing you to get more out of your set. Number 2. Drop sets. After reaching failure, immediately reduce the weight by 20 to 30% and continue performing reps until you hit failure again, then continue with no weight. Drop sets increase the volume and intensity of your workout in a short time, helping to break through plateaus and push your muscles further than usual. Number 3. ISO holds. At the end of your set, hold the bottom position of the split squat for as long as you can. This static hold increases muscle tension and can help build both endurance and strength. It's a great way to force your muscles to work under extreme fatigue. And that's it. You now have all the knowledge you need to master the Bulgarian Split Squat. This exercise is a fantastic addition to your lower body workout routine, helping you build strength, stability, and size. Remember to enjoy the progress of learning and growing, and embrace each step to becoming the best version of yourself. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and guides. Let me know in the comments which exercise you'd like me to cover next. And don't forget to check out more of our videos for all your fitness needs. Until next time, verið í sæl.